this is my holiday. And the ferry is almost here, which means we have to wait a tiny bit more until we can go onto it. Guys, this is the ferry. Guys, look how huge that is. What's this? As you can see, the ferry's in here. It's really loud and it's amazing. If you guys just watch, I'm sure that bit will come down. Oh, it's cut on those sides. It's really loud now. I think that's the sound of all the. Okay guys, so we're just about to go into the ferry. Guys, we've got places to sit, and then there's these huge clear windows right here. Except for this weird fly. How dare you? We're up at the top deck. Look at this view. It's huge. It's down here. There's places to sit. Oh, there's these things right there. And then there's where they drive. Goodbye, land. We're leaving. Okay guys, so we are going to go all the way over there. And there's another one of boats just like we're on all the way over there. Guys, look, I found this chair. I sit on it. And then you can see out this window. Look down there. That's awesome. It's definitely a window. And it's amazing. If I could describe this ship or this ferry in any way, I would describe it luxurious. Because it is like luxury. Guys, it's taken a while, but we finally made it. We're about to go to here. And also, for a while, I found this. You need to put money into here, and then you need to push this in all the way, and the money will go in, and then you can look through here, and you can see all around here. It'll be just amazing. I've already had a go at the other one. There's another one on the side. It's the exact same. And we're about to go. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you heard that beep at the end of the last bit. It was because we had to return to our cars or our vehicles, so we could leave because we were just about to leave. So see you guys when I'm at the park called the Enchanted Gardens, and I was just there, but it won't be in the episode. So I am going to see you at the house, so I'm going to show you around. Guys, we made it, and it's a while into the night, and I'm going to show you guys around. We have a couch right here. Looks really nice. This is our TV. Watching Pumpkin Panda 2. We have got our kitchen. Got a ski, we've got our stuff on the bin. We've got this pantry that I don't know how to food in it when it says we're camping. We've got our pantry, got our stove, and we've got our oven. Over here we've got our little table and plants, and we can go out there. And then we have a garage. And I'm going to show you downstairs first. So I'm going to show you this little room. So we've got this with the walls are purple. We've got a nice mirror, got a blue chair, got curtains, and in here we have this nice little purple thing. What's behind it? Towels. Anyway, so then whoever sleeps in here gets their own bathroom. It's dark. Turn on the fan, so we've got that and that, and it's a really nice little bathroom. So then I'm going to show you my room, and my room is next door to it, which is in here. We've got a table and this, and we've got a mirror, and we've got all this, and then we've got these blinds, and we've got my brother sleeping in here, and we've got our suitcases and one of my best slippers, and then I've got Mr. Lion and Polly, and I'm sleeping in this bed, and my brother's sleeping over there, and then we can see out here. Now I am going to show you guys upstairs. Anyway, there's a little nice fire right there, and nice plant. Something I really like is that when you go up here, there's like a red wall, and you get to see out there and see down there. And you got hallway lights. And I want to check this room. It's locked. And in this room, nobody sleeps here. Got a mirror and it's flowers and light purple and don't like this room. You guys can comment down below which room your favourite is. And nice light. I've never really seen a light like that. And then in here, when we came here, my mum thought there was not going to be any baths or showers. There was going to be cold water, and there was going to be just a hole in the backyard for a toilet. But we've got our toilet here. We've got a mirror. Oh. Turn off the light. And then here is the last room to show you. This. It's all pink. Sun and universe and owls and pink and purple. And what's in here? Oh, whoop-de-doo. Your little closet, a walking robe. Nice. So, that's all there is to the house. I'll see you guys in a bit. Because this is not a basement. This is a way to go to a garage. We don't have any keys to unlock the doors. As you can see, we've got all this, and then we've got doors down here. You can't see, so I'm going to take you guys into the darkness. What we still can't see is a door here, a door here, and then a door right there. Lights out on the first day of our holiday at our holiday house.